This is Richard Smith with Leader One Financial right here in beautiful Katy, Texas. And I wanted to give you guys some information. As you know, or may know, that the federal government shut down at midnight last night or early this morning. And I wanted to give you guys some information on how that'll impact our industry in the mortgage and real estate industry. So I'm going to go over some of the items with you. Number one, impacting federally backed loans, which are USDA loans. Those will be frozen. So any buyers that you have currently purchasing a USDA loan, if the file is not with the USDA yet, once it is complete and cleared with the mortgage lender, it goes to the USDA. There's nobody there, so that will be frozen. Number two, FHA loans. FHA loans actually will continue to process and move forward. Those have not been frozen, but there are parts of the process of an FHA loan that will have some issues due to the government shutting down. One is tax transcripts. Tax transcripts are ordered by the we order those directly with the IRS. That's on all loans, whether it's FHA, conventional, and VA loans. Tax transcripts. So that we will see some delays in that. The other delays that we would see is FHA case numbers. We ordered all of our case numbers before the shutdown, but any new files, FHA case numbers, depending on how long the government shut down, there will be delays in that. The VA loans will still be moving forward. VA loans are funded by user fees and not the U.S. government, so that will move forward. The only delay we could see, and it happened in the past, was the certificate of eligibilities. There will be delays in getting those. So as a real estate agent, if you're working on a HUD-owned property, if you have not received approval yet from HUD on a buyer that's purchasing a HUD-owned property, you will see delays in that also. Let's see, tax transcripts, we talked about that. Flood insurance, if it's federal policy by FEMA, then yes, there's delays. There's actually the ability to purchase flood insurance that's private. It's a little more expensive, but FEMA-backed flood insurance, you will see delays. So that's basically the impact it will have on our economy. I think, or on our business. The last government shutdown, I believe, was like 17 years ago, and it lasted less than a month. Hopefully this does not even get close to a month. Hopefully it's a couple days, or today they work something out temporarily like has happened in the past. But we're worst case scenario. We're looking at some things moving slow, but most current files still moving forward with no issues. So again, if you have any specific questions, call me anytime, Richard Smith, and the number is 281-994-4240, and we'll see you on the web.